Hello, children. How are you? I hope you will be fine and safe at home. My name is Bhavna Miss and I am your EVS teacher. Today we are going to start our very first chapter of EVS, that is going to school. Going to school means to go to school. So children, how do you go to school? You go to school by bus, bicycle, auto, van, by walking, etc. Children, now look at the map of India. In India, there are 28 states with different landform. Example, Rajasthan. It is a desert area. Ladakh, Jammu Kashmir in the north have snow mountain. Assam in the east rains maximum. Kerala in the south have many rivers. So, have you imagined how do the children living in these areas go to school? Okay, so here we start our chapter with the very first topic, bamboo bridge. Can you see the children in this picture wearing uniform? They are living in the state of Assam. See how they are going. Like I said, in Assam, it rains maximum. And when it rains a lot, water gets locked. Means the area is filled with water up to our knees. So there, bamboo bridge is built by the help of some bamboo and rope, like you can see in this picture. Children hold the book in one hand and from the another hand they hold the rope to cross it, and like this they go to school. Children, this is a picture of Ladakh. Can you see the river is very wide and deep? So, if a bamboo bridge is built and by chance leg gets slipped, then the child gets drowned. And it is very dangerous. So, here a trolley tied to rope is built, like you can see in this picture. Trolley is open wooden box in which 4 children can sit together, and with the help of this they cross the deep rivers to go to school. This is a picture of a cement bridge. Cement bridge are stronger than bamboo bridge as they are made of cement, the strongest material. Children, the perfect example of this bridge is in our city. The bridge which is built on Tapi river, that is in Adajan. Have you seen it? Okay, another example, the ONGC bridge in Hajira. These are the examples of cement bridge. We can see this in our city. Now, we can ride our vehicles on this kind of bridge to cross rivers and go to school. Children, this is a picture of Kerala. Here, there are lots of rivers coming in the way of school. So, children use the boat called Vallam. They sit in the boat and go to school by crossing rivers. This is a picture of Rajasthan desert area. Can you ride a bicycle or any vehicle in desert area? No, we cannot, because it will get sink. So here camel cart is used to go to school, as camel is called the ship of desert. Now, second green picture is of a village where you can see fields around. So here, bullock cart is used to go to school. This is bicycle ride. It is very common when you have a group of 7-8 friends and all your friends are having bicycle. Then usually you go to school together by bicycle, which is called bicycle rides. Okay, early girls were not allowed to go to school. But after the bicycle invented, girls started going to school in a group by bicycle. Children, this is a picture of Jugaad, a very special vehicle, and in Hindi it is called Chhagda Gadi. From front, it looks like a motorcycle, and at the back, it is attached to a carriage, which is like a box made of wood, and it makes a very funny sound. So, children, you can see some children are sitting and happily enjoying and going to school. Sometimes it also carries small load. Children, imagine the school is very far away from village and in between a jungle is there. So how children will go to school? This situation we can find in the north areas. So here the children they cross the jungle by walking. Sometimes the jungles are so thick that sunlight also cannot enter. It is very dark. Children, like in the previous, the children were walking through the jungle, and over here in Uttarakhand we can see lots of mountains. So here they are walking up and down through the mountainous region to reach school. So I hope now you have learned how children go to school. They cross everything bravely. Obstacles never stop them to go to school.